Okay.
Ma'am,
Yes. Yes. Yes, beta.
nothing, ma'am.
Okay. And if a snake bite is there, then it can be very means snake bite means all the snakes are not poisonous. Some are non-poisonous also, but usually what if they are poisonous, then they can be very deadly. And if they are not treated on time, the person can lead to death also. So it can be handled very means properly should be handled. So it is very important to calm the person down, and these steps should be followed like which is written in the book. Do not allow any movement of the bitten arm or leg. Like this is the venom is introduced in the body, and if we avoid the movement, then we reduce the circulation of blood, because the more circulation and more for quickly it will be reach to the all part of the body. Once it is reached to the heart, then the heart will send to the all part of the body, and then it is very difficult to what you can say save the life of a person if the venom is very poisonous. So it should be handled properly. We should tie the portion, that is the bitten portion, tightly to reduce the circulation. We ask the person to reduce the movement, that is also reduce the circulation, which reduce the spreading time, sorry, which reduce the spreading in the body. Otherwise, once it is reach in the heart, it will be moved to the all part of the body. And position of the bitten person, it should be like the means the bitten part should be lie below the level of the heart. So the bitten part of the person, it should be lie below the level of the heart. Clean the wound with water, but not the do not flush. We should not flush, we should just clean it with the water, means take the water in a cotton or in any cloth and just to wipe it, just like mopping we are doing, just like wipe it. Do not flush it, means we should not put water with the pressure on the that wound. That will increase the chances of danger. When you put the water with the pressure on the wound, it increases the chances of spreading the venom in the body. So do not flush, cover it with a clean and dry dressing, and do not apply ice or try to cut the wound to take out venom. Means we should not try means what you can say, apply ice pack on it or ice there, and we should not cut that part, means like some, like suppose on foot it is bitten, so that should not be like this, that portion we cut it so it will be fine. No, we should not cut that the bitten part, that not actually spread or stop the problem, because venom is introduced in the blood, and that part if you cut, that also not helpful. So that should not be done. And the very important thing is that uh, while doing it, just try to reach to the doctor immediately. So animal bite is also categorized into different category, and we do the different, we provide the different first aid in different cases. Like I told you, the different first aid in case of bee sting, different first aid in case of wasp sting, or in animal bite, snake bite also the different first aid, and different first aid for the cats and dog bite also. So now one more time, in case of, yes.
Ma'am, if we will cut the part from, ma'am, if we will cut the part from which the snake have bite, it will not help, because the venom get inserted into the cells and it will hurt the
Yes, it's yes, it inserted into the blood capillaries, and it is started spreading in the body. If you cut that part, that's not helpful at all. Fine, understood.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now just raise your hand and tell me the first aid in case of bee sting. Just raise your hand. I will ask you. Only two hands. Afia Inam, you tell me. Afia Inam, quickly tell me. Am I not audible, Afia? Aisha Iqbal, you tell me. Aisha. Hmm.
to tell the first aid
First,
for
in case of bee sting and wasp sting.
ma'am what bee sting and
Wasp sting. Wasp sting. Bee sting and wasp sting.
yes snake bite. Do not allow any movement of the bitten arm
No, snake bite I have not asked. Are beta, I ask for bee sting or for
may I
wasp sting. Yes, yes, you can.
in case of bee sting we have to apply baking soda or toothpaste and or for wet sting we have to apply lemon juice.
Hmm.
Ma'am for bee sting baking soda and wasting that vinegar.
Hmm. Vinegar or lemon. Okay, now raise your hand. What are the first aid for the snake bite? Snake bite. Raise your hands.
Ma'am yes
Okay, you can tell Aisha Iqbal, but where are the other students? Why they are not raising hand? Yes, Aisha Iqbal, you can tell.
allow any movement of the bitten arm or leg in order to keep the venom from
Venom.
spreading through the body. Position the victim such that the bite lies below the level of the heart. Clean the wound with water but do not flush. Cover it with a clean dry dressing. Do not apply ice or try to cut the wound
Wound.
without venom.
Hmm.
Take the victim to the hospital immediately.
Hmm. That's good, mashallah. That's good, mashallah. Haris Ansari, you tell me.
Ma'am, can I talk?
Haris Ansari, you tell me yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me.
Ma'am, can I tell?
Yes, I ask you. Yes. No, Haris Ansari, I ask.
Do not allow any movement of the bitten arm or leg in order to keep the venom from spreading through the body.
Yes.
Position the victim such that the bite lies below the level of the heart. Clean
Yes.
the wound with water but do not flush.
Hmm.
Cover it with a clean dry dressing.
Hmm.
Do not apply ice or try to cut the wound without venom.
Hmm.
Take the victim to the hospital immediately.
Yes. Okay, Raj, also you can also tell.
Do not allow any movement of the bitten arm or leg in order to keep the venom from spreading through the body. Position the victim such that the bite lies below the level of the heart. Keep the wound with water but do not flush. Cover it with a clean dry dressing. Do not apply ice or try to cut the wound without venom. Take take the victim to the hospital immediately.
Hmm. Okay. That's good, mashallah. Yes, of course. The very first thing is that to tie the bitten area tightly, so that this spreading of the venom will be reduced. That there the chances of spreading of venom will be reduced in the body. And of course, do not allow any movement of the bitten area, because the movement also increase the circulation, and we need to reduce the circulation. And when we make the victim lie, or the person bitten by the snake lie or say, that we should take care of this, that the bitten area should lies below the level of the heart. And we should not flush the area, the bitten area. We should just clean it with the water, but we should not flush it, and just cover with the dry dressing. We should not apply any sort. Say again, your voice cut only. Yes, say again. Cleaning and flushing. Flushing is like you put the water with the pressure on the wound, means like with any sort of pipe with the pressure means. And cleaning is just wiping. Wiping only means just we are mopping the floor, that is called wiping. So flushing, put the water with the pressure on it. Okay. So now the time is to be over only, and we completed the chapter, and in the next class we'll discuss exercises, question answers and all. And what I suggest to you, you read the chapter one time and start doing exercises and question answers, as because your assessments are very near. So before assessment you're supposed to complete your chapter work. So this is the suggestion that you start doing today only, and whatever the queries, doubts, problem you would be having will clear in the next class. So we can discuss all the queries and doubts in the next class, but you start doing it today. Yes, for from 1 to 3. Yes, yes, 1 to 3 it will come. So start doing it today after reading the chapter, and your queries will be entertained in the next class. Yes,
My chapter 1 and 2 are fully completed.
that's good, mashallah. So do that also and start doing this third chapter also, because they all are coming in the assessment.
Chapter 1 and 2 are completed.
That's good, mashallah. If it is done and completed, that's good. Okay, okay. Then assalamu alaikum.